Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching, and for those of you who are new, welcome to my channel, and I hope you like the videos that I post on my channel. Please like, subscribe, and give your comments in the comment section. Remember, keep it positive, and if it is a critique, try to be nice. Today I am going to do a hair video. I'm going to be bleaching the knots on a closure. Let me tell you a bit about the hair. The hair is from Recool hair on AliExpress, and I bought the hair last year in November. I bought 3 bundles and a closure, and it cost me about $977 for everything. But remember, the price of the hair will depend on the dollar to rand exchange rate. I'm going to give you a bit of feedback on the hair since I've been wearing it for so long. I made the hair into a wig, and I didn't use all the bundles. I think I used about 2.5 bundles of hair and with the closure, but it's full, it's pretty full. And also the hair is very soft. I'm currently wearing it in a wet look. The hair is very soft. Also, there is a little bit of shedding, but it's to be expected because it's curly hair. Now, bleaching the knots on the closure. Closure took on the bleach pretty well, and it bleached very nicely. It didn't shed afterwards because I was worried about bleaching, because some closures, after you bleach them, then the hair starts shedding. Let's get straight into the tutorial. I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any questions, feel free to put them down below in the comments. I'm going to list all the products I used as well as the website of where I got the hair in the description box. So enjoy. So I'm going to be using the Kair bleaching kit that I got from Clicks. It has a bottle of cream activator and a tub of bleaching powder. This box has 2 because I threw away the other box and I put the other stuff in here. So I also have this brush that I use sometimes. I don't use it often. And then there's a pair of plastic gloves provided in the box. You're going to need a plastic mixing bowl, plastic or wood, and a plastic utensil to mix. So this is the hair, and it is from Recool hair. It came in this little bag, which is so cute because you can repurpose it and use it for something else. In the bag there is 3 bundles of hair, curly hair, and a closure, as well as the free gift, which in this case was a satin bonnet. This is the closure we'll be working with. It is a 5x5 or a 6x6 if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, let's unpack it so you can see what it looks like. So I've removed the closure from the plastic bag, and it comes in this little net. I guess it was to protect the curls. So it doesn't look like it needs plucking. I think after we bleach it, and if I add a little bit of powder to it, I think it will look amazing. So the hair has a bit of a smell to it, but it will go away. Let's start mixing our bleaching mixture. I'm going to add powder. Some people like to measure it with scoops. I can't find my scoops, but I'm going to eyeball it. Add as much powder as you think you need into your mixing bowl. And when you think you've got enough, then add the liquid activator. I like to add it gradually, so I add a bit and then mix a bit just so I can get the right consistency, because when you're bleaching a closure or a lace front, you don't want your mixture to be too runny, because if it is, then it's going to seep through the closure lace and it's going to bleach the roots of the hair, and we don't want that. So I like the consistency of my bleaching mixture to be a bit firm. I like it to be a bit firm, not too firm, but I like it firm. So continue mixing it. I'd like to apologize if you hear thundering noises. It's because it's raining outside, so my apologies for that. So as you can see, my mixture is a bit creamy. The thing is, I'm a novice bleacher, so I'm not experienced enough, but I think as you go on and as I go on, you'll see, because I'm learning new techniques, you can make the mixture a bit runny, and then it will sort of go through a bit onto the root of the hair, but not too far up the hair shaft. But yeah, we live and we learn. Make sure you mix your mixture very good. Make sure you don't have any clumps of dry bleach or any standing activator. Then you want to take your closure. I like to fasten the hair with a hairband, make a little bun or a knot with it so it doesn't get in the way. Then I put my closure on a flat surface. I'm going to take the mixture with the knife and I'm going to plaster it onto the closure. Right. Just plaster it on like you're putting on butter. Plaster it onto the closure. Take your time, do it nice and slow. We don't want any accidents. So butter up the closure with the bleach mixture. Make sure you cover the areas that are going to be visible on the scalp, right? Speed it up a little, speed it up a little bit because, well, it's actually repetitive. You just want to put the bleaching mixture onto the closure and, cover it up. I like to go in the front. I like to go a bit further because, you don't cut your lace directly on the hairline. You can leave a bit of lace for those who want to glue their wigs and such. So I like to go in front of it. So I've left the closure for, you can leave it for 35 to 45 minutes depending on what tone you want it. So I'm going to run some lukewarm water and I'm going to rinse out the powder before I loosen the hair. The hair is loosed, the knots are bleached very nicely. I like what came out because when I put powder with this, then it's going to sit very nicely on the scalp. I'm going to be using the Nu-lite silver shampoo to neutralize any brassy tones that may have been left on the closure. So I'm going to put some of the shampoo on my hand. You will see it's a purple shampoo and it's going to get rid of the yellowy, the brassy tones on the closure. So I've rubbed it on my hand and now I'm going to rub it vigorously on the closure. Make sure I cover the surface area of the closure and I'm going to rub it in. Some people like to leave this in for a little bit. I don't do that. I just personally rub through and then like make sure I get it all out, get all the bleach out. This shampoo stops the bleach from processing. Then I'm going to rinse it out. If you rinse it out and you feel like you haven't done enough, then you can go in again with the shampoo. But I do it once and I feel like that's enough because I rub vigorously. Then I'm going to rinse the hair out. Make sure I rinse the hair out very well. Just run the water. Make sure your water is not too hot because then that will strip the hair, you know. You don't want your hair being crusty and cracked. So this is what it looks like after the whole process of bleaching. As you can see, like if you can see my fingers peeking through, that is what it will look like on skin. I think we did a pretty good job. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them for me in the comment sections. If you also have suggestions for videos that you'd like to see, leave them down below. And don't forget to hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel and show the girl some love. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Until next time.